In the ever-evolving world of agriculture, innovation is the key to unlocking new levels of efficiency and productivity. The landscape of farming is transforming as traditional practices are enhanced by cutting-edge technology, making processes faster, more efficient, and less labor-intensive. Before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Imagine taking a horse-drawn potato harvester and adapting it to be tractor towable. This shift not only improves the machine's efficiency, but also extends its functionality, allowing it to cover larger areas with greater ease. Similarly, repurposing an old forage harvester into a tree branch shredder highlights the creativity and resourcefulness of modern farmers, turning outdated equipment into valuable new tools. In this video, we'll dive into a range of groundbreaking agricultural machines that embody the spirit of innovation and practicality. Discover how the mini round baler, designed for compactness and maneuverability, is ideal for gathering and baling straw from smaller fields. Learn about the electric, self-propelled asparagus harvester, which uses a cost-effective Chinese bicycle motor to streamline the harvesting process, reducing the need for manual labor and improving efficiency. These examples illustrate how technology is being harnessed to simplify tasks and enhance productivity on the farm. We'll also explore the trenching machine, which makes laying cables, pipes, and fence posts a breeze by eliminating the need for manual digging. This machine not only saves time and labor, but also ensures precision in creating furrows for various installations. Additionally, we'll look at the practical hoeing machine that combines ease of control with effective soil preparation, and the innovative perforated mulching and automatic planting machine that simultaneously spreads mulch and plants seedlings, showcasing the latest advancements in sustainable farming practices. These advancements represent more than just improvements in agricultural technology. They signify a shift towards smarter, more efficient farming. As we continue to embrace and integrate these innovations, the future of agriculture looks promising, with enhanced productivity, reduced labor, and a commitment to sustainable practices paving the way for a new era in farming. Horse-drawn potato harvester, now tractor towable. This section introduces a potato digger that has undergone a clever modification to enhance its functionality. Originally, this machine relied on horses to pull it across the field during potato harvesting. However, to improve efficiency and potentially cover larger areas, it has been adapted to be towed by a tractor. This innovative modification likely streamlines the potato harvesting process, reducing reliance on manpower and potentially increasing speed. Mini round baler. This part focuses on a compact machine used for collecting and baling straw from wheat, corn, and rice crops. The mini round baler is a valuable tool for farmers, as it helps to efficiently gather and compress straw into tightly packed bales. These bales can then be easily stored or transported for various purposes, such as animal bedding, compost, or fuel. The mini round baler is designed to be compact and maneuverable, making it suitable for use in smaller fields or areas with limited access. It is typically equipped with a rotating drum that collects straw and compresses it into a cylindrical shape. The operator then ties the bale with twine to secure it. One of the advantages of using a mini round baler is that it allows farmers to create smaller, more manageable bales compared to larger balers. This can be beneficial for farmers who need to transport or store bales in limited spaces or who have smaller scale operations. In addition to its efficiency and versatility, the mini round baler is also known for its durability and ease of maintenance. It is built to withstand the rigors of agricultural work and requires minimal upkeep. This makes it a reliable and cost-effective investment for farmers. Forage harvester repurposed as tree branch shredder. This innovative adaptation showcases the versatility and resourcefulness of farmers in repurposing existing equipment to meet new needs. By converting an old forage harvester into a tree branch shredder, they have created a valuable tool for managing tree debris and potentially turning it into useful materials. The forage harvester, originally designed for cutting and chopping forage crops, can be modified to effectively shred tree branches. This involves modifying the cutting mechanism to accommodate the thicker and tougher material of tree branches. Additionally, the machine may require adjustments to its feeding system to ensure smooth operation with tree branches. Once the forage harvester is repurposed, it can be used to shred tree branches into smaller pieces. These shredded pieces can then be used for various purposes, such as mulch. The shredded branches can be spread around plants to help retain moisture, suppress weeds, and improve soil health. Compost. Shredded branches can be added to compost piles to accelerate the decomposition process and create nutrient-rich compost for use in gardening and agriculture. Fuel. In some cases, shredded branches can be processed into fuel, such as wood pellets or biomass briquettes. The repurposing of a forage harvester as a tree branch shredder demonstrates the ingenuity and adaptability of farmers in finding innovative solutions to their challenges. This practice can help to reduce waste, conserve resources, and promote sustainable agriculture. Trenching machine for easy cable and pipe laying. This segment highlights a machine that significantly simplifies the process of laying cables, pipes, or installing fences. With its trenching capabilities of up to 60 centimeters deep and 10 centimeters wide, this machine eliminates the need for manual digging, which can be time-consuming, labor-intensive, and even dangerous depending on the ground conditions. The trenching machine can effectively create precise furrows in the soil, ideal for laying electrical cables, irrigation pipes, or drainage systems. It can also be useful for installing fence posts, saving farmers and construction workers considerable time and effort. Overall, this machine is a valuable tool for increasing efficiency and reducing the workload associated with underground utility installation and fence construction. If you are here with us, consider subscribing and hit the bell icon, and please like over video. Simple yet effective potato planter. This section showcases a user-friendly and highly efficient potato planting machine that simplifies the potato planting process. Unlike traditional methods that may involve manual labor or bulkier equipment, this machine offers a streamlined solution for planting potatoes. It likely accomplishes this by automating tasks such as creating furrows, distributing seed potatoes at precise intervals, and covering them with soil. This not only saves time and effort, but can also contribute to improved planting accuracy and crop yields. Electric self-propelled asparagus harvester. The video showcases a self-propelled electric machine specifically designed for harvesting asparagus. This innovative tool is designed to streamline the asparagus harvesting process, reducing the need for manual labor and increasing efficiency. The machine is equipped with a powerful electric motor, allowing it to move independently through the field without requiring the operator to push or pull it. One of the most interesting features of this asparagus harvester is its use of a cost-effective Chinese bicycle motor for $60. This demonstrates the potential for repurposing and adapting existing components for agricultural applications, leading to more affordable and accessible solutions for farmers. The electric asparagus harvester is likely equipped with a mechanism for cutting asparagus at the desired height, as well as a system for collecting and transporting the harvested asparagus to a central location. This machine can significantly improve the productivity and efficiency of asparagus harvesting, allowing farmers to cover larger areas and reduce labor costs. Single-row corn harvester. This segment focuses on a compact agricultural machine designed for harvesting corn in a single row. This type of harvester is typically used in smaller fields or areas with limited access, where larger harvesters may not be suitable. The single-row corn harvester is equipped with a gasoline engine, providing the necessary power to operate the machine. The harvester likely features a mechanism for cutting corn stalks, removing the ears from the stalks, and collecting the harvested corn. It may also have a system for shucking the corn and removing the husks. The walk-behind tractor chassis allows the operator to maneuver the machine through the field with ease, making it suitable for various field conditions. Single-row corn harvesters can be a valuable tool for farmers who need to harvest corn efficiently in smaller fields or areas with limited resources. They can help to reduce labor costs and increase productivity. Hydrostatic lawn tractor. The video showcases a powerful hydrostatic lawn tractor equipped with a 26 HP engine and a cutting width of 110 cm. This type of lawn tractor is designed for efficient and effective lawn mowing, especially in larger areas. The hydrostatic transmission allows for smooth and precise control, making it easy to maneuver the tractor around obstacles and uneven terrain. The 26 HP engine provides ample power for cutting through thick grass and tackling challenging mowing conditions. The 110 cm cutting width allows for efficient mowing, reducing the time required to complete the task. The hydrostatic lawn tractor may also have features such as mulching, bagging, or side discharge capabilities, providing versatility for different lawn care needs. Hydrostatic lawn tractors are a popular choice for homeowners and commercial landscapers who need a reliable and powerful machine for lawn maintenance. They offer a combination of power, maneuverability, and ease of use, making them a valuable asset for maintaining well-groomed lawns. Practical and easy-to-control hoeing machine. This section emphasizes that the hoeing machine featured in the video, despite initial impressions, is surprisingly easy to control and allows for effective hoeing of the ground. The machine is likely designed to mimic the action of a manual hoe, but with increased efficiency and reduced physical strain. The hoeing machine may have features such as adjustable depth and angle settings, allowing the operator to customize the hoeing process to suit different soil conditions and weed types. It may also be equipped with a mechanism for loosening the soil and removing weeds, simplifying the task of preparing the ground for planting. The ease of control and effectiveness of the hoeing machine can make it a valuable tool for farmers and gardeners who need to maintain their fields or gardens efficiently. It can help to reduce the time and effort required for manual hoeing while still achieving the desired results. Perforated mulching and automatic planting machine. This innovative machine combines two functionalities: mulching with perforations and planting seedlings simultaneously. The mulching feature involves spreading a layer of mulch over the soil, which can help to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and improve soil health. The perforations in the mulch allow for the passage of water and nutrients to the plants. The automatic planting feature of the machine likely involves a mechanism for planting seedlings at precise intervals and depths. This can help to ensure even spacing and proper planting of seedlings, leading to healthier and more productive crops. The combination of mulching and planting in a single operation can significantly improve the efficiency and effectiveness of agricultural practices. It can help to reduce labor costs, conserve water, and promote sustainable farming. As we've seen, the integration of innovative machinery into agriculture is not just about keeping up with the times, it's about setting new standards for efficiency and sustainability. The transformation of traditional equipment and the introduction of modern solutions illustrate the incredible potential for improving farming practices while reducing labor and resource use. From the precise trenching machines to the multifunctional perforated mulching and planting equipment, these advancements are making farming more productive and environmentally friendly. As technology continues to evolve, the future of agriculture promises even more exciting innovations, paving the way for a new era of farming that is both efficient and sustainable. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and please hit the bell.